Okay, may peace be with you. Now we are going on to the ship, and this ship is one of the oldest ships in Klaipėda. And now in that ship you can eat and drink, and there are a lot of flags all around. And I think people from all these countries, or not countries or ships, they have been in Klaipėda at some time. Actually, I don't have a clue what this flags means, but it's nice. And you see more of a skyscraper in there. It's called Viva la Vita. So Vita means in Latin life. So that's a good sign. It's city of life. And actually there is an angel, but we cannot see it through the. We cannot see because it's the trees growing on the angel. But this environment is beautiful. And like Klaipėda in many ways is still undiscovered city for many Europeans, Asians and people from all over the world. And actually some people even recommend, if you want to see a Klaipėda from high point, you can go to that skyscraper, and then you can eat in the restaurant, which is up very high, and you can see all around, and probably you can see even Koronian Spit and people walking the seaside. We have a car, so we are moving. And here you probably cannot see yet, but there is a river going to the sea, and in that river, like Petras, who now is filming, he used to train rowing. So sometimes you can see like even a rowing competition, so like people just for their hobby rowing or in the leisure time, because you can rent a boat and you can swim not only in the sea, but you can swim in the lagoon, you can swim in the river. There are a lot of water all around, a lot of green areas, no crimes, no terrorist attacks, no tsunamis, no volcanoes, no earthquakes. So it's a safe place to be. There are a lot of fish in the sea, so you can sit comfortably. Fish. So like it's also family friendly. There is a lot of like young families, and there are people with animals.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.